Hey, the fuck you mean you ain't heard no fucking?
I'm in Austin for the first time ever, and I'm kinda horny and shit. What you mean by that? I'm curious. Nut in your girl real fast, she furious. Bitch, I'm mysterious. Pull up in the back of her butt, Johnny Sins, well, I'm serious. Big ass balls, big ass house, ayy. Big ass checks, hot ass spouse, ayy. Run the cheese, a Mickey Mouse, ayy. Suck on these, they in your mouth, ayy.
I feel like Horton. Who the fuck are you? Bit off more than I could fucking chew. On the bus, transporting, stacking green, Hal Jordan. 23 bitches on my core, feel like Mike Jordan. Off the record, seeing the dark. Tag teaming your bitch, we Lewis and Clark. In the Bahamas, where the Tommy with your bitch, call her mommy. They trying to stop it, they mad though. I'm all in her ear like I'm Van Gogh.
What you mean by that? I'm curious. Nut in your girl real fast, she furious. Bitch, I'm mysterious. Pull up in the back of her butt, Johnny Sins, well, I'm serious. Big ass balls, big ass house, ayy. Big ass checks, hot ass spouse, ayy. Run the cheese, a Mickey Mouse, ayy. Suck on these, they in your mouth, ayy. Shimmy yeah, shimmy yo, shimmy yo. It's around a Tuesday, buy my mama car. I'm 50, baby. Skirt, young Griffin on that wood grain. My girl, education, she got good brain.
Bitch tryna throw me off my game. Fame going to my head, I got a migraine. Pussy gluten-free, she eat keto. You out of touch with the kids like a bad pedo.
Bruh, we finna get canceled, you can't be saying that shit. What the fuck's wrong with
my
you?
My bad.
What you mean by that? I'm curious. Nut in your girl real fast, she furious. Bitch, I'm mysterious. Pull up in the back of her butt, Johnny Sins, well, I'm serious. Big ass balls, big ass house, ayy. Big ass checks, hot ass spouse, ayy. Run the cheese, a Mickey Mouse, ayy. Suck on these, they in your mouth, ayy.
People that I respect in these common threads, gassing up and saying someone's dope, and man, we all know that it's whack as shit. Yeah, I know that you playing the game and just work that lane for association. Keep on chasing, trading artistic integrity for some more engagement. Yeah, flashing money that you don't got and just hope they watching. Been dressing loud as fucking, only hanging round who's popping. When that don't get you plays, you switch to controversial topics. Hide the fact you got no skill by saying shit that's out of pocket. Yeah, what about the hype up? Doing anything but the work to get the likes up. Trying to start beef for the rapper that's bigger than you. Doesn't matter what you gotta do if you get interviews. Everybody got a gimmick and I know that. Hopping on the latest trend and it's so bad. Trying to get the followers so we know that it's all cap. Willing to do anything to making it so whack. Oh man, I cannot stand that shit, we see it. You have a chance to advance, you on that penis. Don't care how much you have to change to meet it. But fuck the art, this ain't about the music. Bitch, give me the
crowd rules everything around me. Queen, get the crowd rules everything around me. Queen, get the crowd rules everything around me. Queen, get the money, nothing's really real, y'all. Crowd rules everything around me. Queen, get the crowd rules everything around me. Queen, get the crowd rules everything around me. Queen, get the money, nothing's really real, y'all.
Yo, and you were trying to pop like a year and a half ago, and now you riding on the tail of someone else's code, looking for credit and acclaim for someone else's goals, doing the same shit sounding like everyone else you know. Hey, rich and despicable, built it up, it's just me and my minions. Work till it grew and I never give a fuck about your opinions. I don't gotta pay to be seen on a date with a star.